Hey there, welcome to RackNerd TV. I'm Christian, and today I am going to walk you through the process of installing WordPress with EasyEngine on your Ubuntu server. Whether you're looking to streamline your website management or enhance your hosting capabilities, EasyEngine is a fantastic tool that can make your life a whole lot easier. So let's dive in. So what exactly is EasyEngine? Well, EasyEngine is an open source command line tool that simplifies the process of managing WordPress websites on a Linux server. It automates the deployment of WordPress and other web applications with Nginx, ensuring you get a fast and reliable setup. Some of the benefits of using EasyEngine include speed and performance, as it provides optimized Nginx configurations for blazing fast website performance. It also offers automation for setup and maintenance tasks, saving you time and reducing errors. Additionally, EasyEngine supports scalability, making it easy to manage multiple sites with a few commands. And it also includes a built-in security feature to keep your site safe and sound. Now, why should you use EasyEngine? Well, if you're a developer or a website owner, using EasyEngine can greatly simplify your workflow. It's particularly beneficial if you are managing multiple websites and want a centralized, easy-to-use tool. EasyEngine allows you to focus on content rather than server management. And it's a solution that scales with your business's growth. Now, before we get started with the tutorial, make sure that you have your domain name to install WordPress with and an Ubuntu server ready to go. But I highly recommend choosing version 20.04 if you want to follow along with this tutorial exactly. If you don't have one yet, head over to racknerd.com for reliable hosting solutions and for getting a domain name. We've got several guides on our YouTube channel to help you set up your very first VPS and domain name on how to order one. Just check them out before you begin. Now let me share my screen here and let's get started with that tutorial. Alright, first off, let's ensure our server is up to date. Open up your terminal and run this command. This command updates the package list and upgrades all of the packages to their latest versions. This might take a while, especially if this is a newly deployed VPS. Just be patient. And if prompted for anything, please just follow through my selections on screen. Now let's download and install EasyEngine with this simple command. This installer script was created by the EasyEngine team, which will install all the dependencies for you. It will fetch the scripts from their server and execute it. If prompted for anything, just follow through what I'm doing right here and we'll get you taken care of. We'll be on the same page as soon as it's done. Once done, let's verify our installation by checking the EasyEngine version with this command. We should see our version number displayed, confirming the installation has been completed successfully. If not, please reinstall your server and restart the installation process from the start before you continue to make sure you don't get any configuration conflicts along the way. Now, it's time to install WordPress. With EasyEngine installed, we can now set up our first website using EasyEngine. But first, make sure that your domain's DNS is already pointing to your server IP. If you haven't done that yet, you can check out our tutorial on how to do just that. Just search on YouTube videos and look for something like how to point your domain to your server IP. Once your domain's DNS has compiled its propagation, which we discussed in that other video that we were talking about, pointing your domain to your server IP, we're ready to proceed on setting up our WordPress site. And here's how to create a WordPress site with caching enabled on our EasyEngine. Replace racknerdtv.com with your actual domain name, of course. EasyEngine will handle the rest, setting up WordPress with optional caching settings. Once EasyEngine finishes the setup, copy the provided information, making sure that you have access to it for later reference. And that's it. You should be able to access your new WordPress site by navigating to your domain.com in your web browser. And as you can see here, my site is perfectly installed. Just use the credentials you have noted earlier and feel free to do whatever you want with your WordPress site from now on. If you want to install another site with a different domain, just use the same command for creating more WordPress sites. I will paste these commands in the description down below this video, so check those out and enjoy. And there you have it. We have successfully installed WordPress with EasyEngine on our Ubuntu server. EasyEngine is a super powerful tool that can save you a lot of time and hassle, making it easier to manage multiple WordPress websites efficiently in a super lightweight hosting environment completely for free. So if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials just like this one. And remember, For all your hosting needs, visit RackNerd.com. Thank you for tuning in and happy hosting.